Good morning, flower friends. It is Lisa coming to you. You see where I am? I was inspired to jump on here and share with you something that we have a limited time offer for Valentine's, like today's the last day. So I'm making sure that you know about it. It's included with this stuff, and I'll tell you the details. And you know what the second thing I'm going to tell you about is how you have to seize the moment. Y'all, I have not even brushed my hair or washed my face or put on makeup this morning. But I knew if I didn't stop and talk to you right now about this, it wouldn't happen. So I'm going to talk about that too. Stop worrying about what people think. Okay, so we have a special offer for my book, the Cut Flower Handbook, going on right now. And here's my theory. Why not give your special someone for Valentine's a lifetime of gardening? And that's exactly what this book will lead them to. If they're a gardener, this is going to teach them how to have a cutting garden. That'll change their life. But more importantly, if it's somebody that's just never gardened and you know that they love flowers, this book will lead the way. And it's the most beautiful book. It's hardback. It was supposed to only be 24 pages, but y'all, when the manuscript was turned in, they literally gave me 16 extra pages. It is a beautiful book, and it is packed full of gorgeous images to go along with my simplified way of kind of looking at stuff. And that's because I'm dyslexic, y'all. I tend to cut through all the fuzziness and just get right down to it. And that's what this book is. But don't leave me yet, because the special offer is this. First off, when you buy the book from us, it comes with this bookmark that has a QR code that gives you the download of an additional PDF of the flowers that didn't make the book, because there still wasn't room for everything. But here's the set. Give them the book along with our customers' lifelong favorite. This has been a favorite since we introduced it in 2005. It is the Cut Flower Garden Seed Collection. This is 6 of the workhorses that I have, a diagram. But here's the Valentine's Day boom, y'all. When you order it by tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., it's coming wrapped like this. Inside this package is the book, a bookmark, and that seed collection. It's like the greatest gift ever, and it even has a little tag so you can write a message, but I think a magic marker on craft paper is awesome to write love messages to your sweetheart. So it's just, and I'm going to try to tag the product in this after I post this live into my feed, but you can find all of this over at thegardenersworkshop.com. Just search book, and it comes up. This is the set. And friends, it'll be the gift that they will thank you for the rest of their life. I'm not kidding. It'll empower them to garden. And if you're already a gardener or already growing, this book is packed with resources. So get it for yourself or get it for somebody that you actually love. So it's at thegardenersworkshop.com, and just search book when you get over there. And then the other thing I wanted to say, so I'm working on tons of content for my club and also some upcoming things that we have today. Tuesday's what I call a maker day. That means I'm making stuff. That means intellectual property kind of stuff. And so I had to come out to water all my amazing cool flowers that are from my very early spring planting. And I wanted to be sure to tell y'all about this because y'all, I don't know if you're familiar with my company. We just have so many arms or fingers in our business. It's just really hard to keep people in the loop on all the stuff that's going on, right? And so this was my brainchild because I am the worst gift buyer on the planet. I just forget, and I'm married to a man that is the best gift giver. And this would be my solution. I would buy 3 of these. One for my mom, one for my mother-in-law, and one for whoever your partner is. Or for anybody that you just think would love to garden. And again, I just want to show this for people that have just joined us. inside this beautifully wrapped package is my book, The Cut Flower Handbook. You get this PDF download of additional flowers. You get this seed collection, which is the 6 workhorses of my flower farm. Was then, and it still is today. And you get the download. Our books come with this bookmark that has a QR code to get this even additional flowers that we just could not squeeze into the book. And so if you order it by tomorrow is the cutoff, February 5th, you will get it gift wrapped this way. And I would love to put a personalized message inside. And friends, I just want to say, me wanting to share this with you would not have happened if I'd have been worried that my hair is not right, I don't have makeup on, because you just have to seize the moment. And that's what allows me to engage with you guys so much. We have to get over worrying and even caring what other people think, because let me just let you in a little secret that I learned when I was traveling and doing like 80 talks, conferences, programs a year all over the country. People are so in awe of the ability to be able to speak in front of people. People are more afraid of doing this, speaking to people, than they are of dying. I mean, that's true. That's a fact. I didn't make that up. You have to just remember that people are admiring you for jumping on here and reaching out to your people. And that's what I'm doing to you. So I just want to say, forget all the buts, and just hit the post button or the live button and do it. Even though I'm not looking great this morning, I got it done. So now I can go inside, get down to my Maker Day stuff, and know that I shared with you guys about our amazing special offer of my book, the seed collection, the bookmark with the PDF download QR code, and it comes to you beautifully wrapped. And friends, telling you, this book is changing it for a lot of people, and I would love to sign one for your person. So I will tag this. I'll tag this with my shop. I'm going to try to while I'm posting it, but you can find it all over at thegardenersworkshop.com. And just search book once you get over there, and the book will come up, and it's one of the offers over there. So friends, thanks for dropping in. And wouldn't you just love to share the opportunity with somebody to be able to start seeds and just to be a part of this whole miracle? And then you plant them outside and they grow. I mean, it's life-changing, literally life-changing. So hope to see you on the flip side. See you tomorrow. Ask a Flower Farmer. And if you're a club member, see you at the Sewing Circle. All right, friends. Ciao.